Okay, we're about 2 miles in, second day, and we have dolphins feeding in front of us. There's one. What they're doing is they're in a school of mullet. Wow. That's about 20 yards from me. I'm going to try to zoom in so you guys can see them. What they do, they flip the fish in the air. It's like a game to them. Let's see if we can see them. I'm rocking pretty good here. There's one. Whoa.
I'm feeling a little bit of a north wind.
Good. That's going to help us. All right. So we're pretty close to the shore here, but if you can see that little island, we have to cut between the island and that land. And we're guessing it's about 2-3 miles. And we'll have lunch. See you then.